Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a faded text effect in Canva. So essentially that effect will make a side, or let's say the bottom side of this text, to be kinda invisible, and then it's progressing to be more and more visible. So the text, the lower part of the text will be blending with the background. At least it will have the same color as the background, and I think that effect is really cool. So what you can do now is you have to insert a text, you have to type a text. I do recommend using big text like this one, or text that is bold, and after that you can go to elements, search for transparent gradient. That is the keyword that we are going to use. It's very important to use that keyword. And after that, navigate to the graphic section, and here you will see plenty of different options, and they have different color than my background. So that is something that we are going to modify later. You can pick any gradient that you want. There are different color, there are different sizes. I guess I'm going to pick this one. And after that, let's put it here. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention something. I want to make sure that this gradient element is on top of the text. So I want to bring forward. Now it's kind of overlapping the text. Now I'm going to resize it a bit. Let's do the same on this left side. And now let's click edit. On the effects section, you want to click duotone. And after that, you want to click custom. On highlights, you want to click here and click the color picker tools. And then you want to select the background. Let's do the same for the shadows. Click here, click this tool, and then click the background. And this will give you this nice effect. So I could, for example, make it selected here, and this is the result that we got. So yeah, that's a really cool tool that you could try to make a fading effect to text in Canva. This actually can be used to an image as well. So you can make a lower section of an image to be kind of transparent to have this same effect. So anyway, that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.